there are some impacts of climate change, especially in sea level rises. The crops in the garden is dying. Even the water source is covered up with sea, and even our traditional houses is unstable.
The nature-based solution programs are around the re-establishment and restoration of mangroves in 3 communities, and also reforestation, where we were able to do replanting of native trees.
So after we do planting of mangroves, and then we see our sea grapes coming back.
The term may be new, but the work that they're doing is NBS. That is something I've also learned during the 2 days workshop.
We used to train communities on community disaster risk management, just to help our community on how they able to develop their action plan or their community adaptation plan.
This workshop, PCDF will take back, try to design an NBS program for the communities that we work with. Is 3 communities in Ra and 4 communities in Taylor.
So I believe after this workshop, we can it can add value to our work on how we can use NBS to address those challenges.
When the challenge is coming, community needs to hold hands together and move forward to face the challenge.